So if for some reason you want to hard reset your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro, then you want to turn off the phone first. So that's going to be power and volume up buttons. Then tap on power off and shut down your phone. And then you want to boot the phone up in recovery mode. And to do that, first go to fast boot mode. So that's going to be power and volume down. So just press and hold those two buttons for about 3 to 5 seconds. And that's going to boot the phone up in this mode, which is the fast boot mode. And then from here, you scroll using the volume buttons, and you're scrolling on this menu here. Scroll until you see recovery mode. There you go. And then use the power button to select that. And then once you see the Android logo like that, just press and hold the power button and then press volume up once and then release. So that's going to put you in recovery mode. So in recovery mode, you can now scroll down again using the power buttons, the volume buttons, and then you want to select wipe data / factory reset, and then select that using the power button. And then once again, scroll down to factory data reset and select that using the power button again. And that's going to hard reset your phone. Once it's done, it will let you know at the bottom of the screen. You can see it says data wipe complete. So that means you're ready to reboot this system now. So make sure that's highlighted and then use the power button to select that. So now it should boot back to the first startup screen. Okay, so that is basically how to hard reset your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro or Pro XL. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.